friends, it's me. You want to know the real reason I've been wearing this pink wig so much? Because I have not been washing my hair. I've literally had no time to do anything the past week. Okay, that's a lie. I've not been using my time wisely the past week or two. But I have been going shopping. Hold on. Where is my dang flower head crown? This is the only one I can find. Anyways, Coachella season is upon us. And you know what that means. Do people even wear head crowns at Coachella anymore? Or is that like 2015? But anyways, I've never been to Coachella. They don't play the music I like. But it is festival season, and this video is about festival season and my outfits that I have prepared. That was a lie. I don't have any outfits prepared. Look at my outfit now. Black tank top, black leggings. You know, all the clothes I show on this channel. Where do they go? I buy so many clothes. Literally, where do they all go? Anyone? So I'm not going to Coachella. My dad didn't get me a private jet or an Airbnb mansion. How am I supposed to go? There is, however, this festival in Europe that I want to go to, but it's like a metal festival because that's the kind of music I like. I like rock, I like metal, all that good stuff. So I don't know. We'll have to make some outfits if we want to go. But anyways, without any further ado, I'm gonna show you the clothes that I bought. You know, just because I'm not going to Coachella doesn't mean all the stores don't have cute clothes for regular people to buy. And that is exactly the case today. Like, Coachella season means all the stores got cute clothes. And I'm going to show you what I bought. So the first one I am really excited about. I'm so actually hyped this fit me. This is a small. It was 27. So I tried this on already. It's a black denim skirt and it has fringes on the side. I love the leather fringes so much. It's so metal. And usually I don't like denim skirts, but this one was like really stretchy and actually like fit good, and it's a little longer, so I don't think it's gonna ride up, but I'm surprised the small fit me because usually like small skirts are like, let's just say you could see the crack of dawn. The next thing I got was this little shirt, and they had this in so many different prints and colors, but I really like the black. The black was a different material though, so it's like a little tank top. It's kind of like mesh material. Yeah, the whole thing is mesh and like a satiny and lace. It's kind of cinched like at the waist, and it's very, very goth. It's cute. Your girl loves lace and mesh. It's like everything I love in a shirt. This is adorable. I am living for this outfit. This is so cute. Like, I am so happy with like this whole shopping haul today. Like, look, I'm smiling like for real and not for fake. I have to hold the skirt because I need a belt with it, because then I don't look snatched, okay? But like, the skirt is so freaking stinking cute, and it's not like super short. Like, look, you wear this at school. What are you guys' school rules? Is it like your thumbs or like your fingertips? I think it's like the fingertips for us. So like, look, I can wear it. And I don't know like how well you can see this shirt, but it's very like Misa from Death Note, which is my vibe. Oh, outfit is so cute. Living. Before we get into all the other clothes, I wanted to show you an essential part of my outfit, which is the sunglasses. Your girl lives for sunglasses, and I got a package from Wear Me Pro. Look how damn cute this is. It's like a tropical jungle. Wow. So I already opened this and wore some of them, but like they come in these really cute cases, and you just pull them out of the box like shoo and open them. Oh, these ones are really cute. I wanted to wear these ones. These are the pink ones. Oh my god, with my hair. Yes. Yes! These are really cute. So these are like an oversized cat eye. They're pink, they're gold, everything I live for. And these are by Wear Me Pro. So what's really cool about this brand is that all their sunglasses are under $25 on their site. Even polarized. They have polarized sunglasses for under $25. Like, other brands got me paying like $50 extra just for polarized lenses. So this brand believes that people shouldn't pay for overpriced logos and branding when it comes to eyewear. Ooh. Whoa! I like these. These are so reflective. You guys can like see what's on my screen. Okay, it's just my videos. We good. We was about to have a oopsie. I love me some reflective lens. Perfect for staring at your crush all day. He'll never know. Or staring at strangers when they put their pin in the ATM. And for the surveillance camera that's watching you steal their pin. They'll never know. I really love their packaging. Like, you get a box and then it comes with the case, and it's a zip case. And then you get like the little pocket. Oh, I love these. See, I got these in black, which are in my car right now. And these ones. Whoa! Looking like a bug snack. These are very cute, but wait till you see the black ones because I really love the black ones. These ones are my absolute favorite. For under $25, and these feel expensive. Your girl over here is a sunglass connoisseur. I got hundreds of pairs of sunglasses. Like, you look at these and be like, oh, this was under $25. I'd be like, nah, you lying. But they are. I love these so much. These are my new favorites. This style is called Erin. They're $16.99 and they're polarized. I'm like looking at the site right now and I want more. But if you guys want to check them out, the link is in the description below. These are so So cute, Magoo. Okay, so here's a big bag of Forever 21, which is not actually all Forever 21. I got this from Nordstrom. I don't know what's wrong with me lately. I really like the cheetah print, or is it leopard? I don't know. And it is a long skirt. I thought I was gonna wear this to tea time, so I bought it and I really like it. And it like ties at the top over here, and I was like, no, this is kind of too exotic for tea time. If you don't know, your girl loves to go to tea time, like afternoon tea. But yeah, it's got a slit in it. It's like perfect for the beach. Not that I ever go to the beach, but like when it gets hot, it's about to get hella hot over here. I mean, it was 98 degrees here today. We living in hell. Let's see what it looks like on. This is probably one of those things that I'll look back on, like, why did I buy this? But if I can get one use out of it, I'm happy with that. Whoa there, I almost flashed you guys. You gotta be careful with this slit, because this slit, it goes all the way up. Whoa, I almost did it again. What the heck? This skirt need to chill. Excuse you. Maybe we gotta move it to the side. Oh yeah, so you get like all that side leg and not that crotch leg. The best part about this is the material. Like, I love this material. It's so soft and satiny, but it's really polyester-lized. Next up, I got this set because my mom was like, you need house clothes for when it gets really hot. And I'm like, okay, yes, I do need house clothes when it gets really hot. But what's stopping me from wearing the same oversized baggy t-shirt that I've been wearing for the past 5 days? Which is what I usually end up wearing. It's like, I wanna dress cute all the time and I buy all this cute clothes, but then I just like, I feel like I lose the clothes. Like, I misplace them. Like, I need them all out in front of me, or I need to have like a spreadsheet with photos of all my clothes, like an itinerary. You feel me? That should be a thing. So this is like from Forever 21. This is in a small, so it's like there's gonna be boobage in this. I just got the shirt. I didn't really like the shirt. I don't even really like the color. It's like dark salmon. There was a yellow one too, but the yellow was kind of neon. I don't know why I didn't get the yellows, because like my hands are full and I didn't want to put this down. I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna try this on, and I just ended up getting this. So these are like $17.90 each, which kind of feel like it's a lot for some booty shorts. You know what, they cute, they airy. Your booty won't get that sweaty during summer. It's cute. So this is this cute little set. The shorts are a little short. Just like, I feel like with all of these things, they always make the shorts really short. For the sake of demonetization, there will be an undergarment. The real test is, does this have pockets? No, it does not. It has failed. Useless! But yeah, it's cute. I really like the tassels. This thing had like 1,000,000 tags on it. Like, each piece had like 2 tags, and then you got the big old 5-page report that every single thing from Forever 21 comes with. I don't love it, but it's like, it's cute. Oh, I love this shirt! This was my favorite thing that I bought today. This one, I was so surprised when I tried this on. This was extremely cute. And I thought it was like off the shoulder, but that's the only complaint I have, is like, this part is a little too long, but basically the shirt is like this. It's so adorable, and it just like cinches over here, and it's like one of those shirts that I don't have to wear a bra with. Your girl appreciates that. It goes with everything. It's cute, it's cropped, it's light and airy for summer, for like a festival. This was from Forever 21, and it's from the Sunny Spot collection. This was $17.90 as well. I spent like $110 for everything at Forever 21 today. Damn. This shirt, Hakuna Matatas. I die. This shirt is way too cute. Oh, this is one of those like troll shirts too. You'd be like, hey, want a sneak peek? And you lift it up, and there's a secret underlayer. But yeah, it's got like a little split on the shoulder, so you can sunburn your shoulder blades to oblivion. This is the cutest shirt that I own. Seriously, I'm in love with this. Wear it with like anything. I can wear it with like shorts, a skirt, leggings. Like, it's cute with everything. This was a thumbs up purchase. Sorry, it's like, I don't want to get up, but it's like the back is like a deep V. Your girl got back knee though. I don't know what's been going on. Like, I haven't been breaking out on my face anymore, and then it just went to my back. Like, I've been getting acne on my back and not my face. I mean, that's better, but like, can you stop? Oh my god, this was the stupidest thing I've ever bought, but this was very necessary. I can't believe they actually made this into a mug. Like, a mug that says internet famous. I'm already ashamed of myself, so you don't have to be. But like, I wonder how many people that shop at Forever 21 are actually internet famous and then get this. Or maybe like somebody uploads a TikTok video and it like blows up. Do they just buy this mug? What demographic were they going for is what I am wondering. I don't know, is everybody internet famous now? Okay, low-key, I am so excited I didn't have to peel this nasty sticker off. Regrettable, but necessary. Maybe I'll take shots in this. Just fill up the whole thing. That's how I sleep at night. I got hair bands too. Necessary. Bone apple teeth. I got dust on my tongue. There was only one pair of socks like this, but these are like cast the ankle socks, which I appreciate, and they're white. You really showing socks today? Okay, this was the haul from a couple of days ago because I went to another Forever 21 and I got some stuff. Oh look, more socks. Okay, this was from Target. You know, I cannot go to Target to run my errands without stopping at the bathing suits because it's like right there when I walk in. It's like you have to look through them because they're so cute. And like this one was like a croquet bikini top thing. There we go. Is it cute? I don't love it, but I like it. This was $20. I have been buying so many bathing suits. Not to flex, but I have a heated pool now. There's no excuse not to swim. I think the past 2 or 3 years, I've bought more bathing suits than times I have been in the water, excluding like a shower. I haven't even like worn any of them. And when I do, I just wear the same one. Cause it's like when you go swimming in a pool, your bathing suit is like dirty. Is it really dirty or do you just like hang it up? Cause I just hang it up and then the one that's hanging up, I don't wanna have like a million hanging up. What to do. Seems like a hassle. But anyways, next shirt is this really cute thing that I want to wear right now, but I feel like I can't because I have pink hair and red does not mesh well with pink. Well, at least I don't think so. I don't like red and pink together. But it's like cinched, it's cute, it's off the shoulder. I love it. Here is the shirt. It's got a little tassel on it, which I like. No, I feel like I buy a lot of these shirts and then end up never wearing them. It's like, why wear this when I can wear a baggy t-shirt? It's cute. It makes me wish I wear these kind of clothes more. The next thing I got, I love this so much. It's yellow zebra. This reminds me of the Gucci bathing suit. Gucci literally has a bathing suit just like this, except it says Gucci. And it's like a one-piece thing. Okay, this one is just one big oofing disaster. I mean, it's really cute. It's pretty. I love the neon yellow and the black stripes, but it's just, look how open this is. It's like you really cannot wear this with anything under it. But it's cute with a skirt. Okay, so I tried this on and it didn't really fit right. You're gonna have to wear it with a bra. It's like one of those things you can't really wear with a bra, but like the girls, they gonna be hanging out of it. I might just wear it as a bathing suit in the comfort of my own home. It's revealing. It's not like the Gucci one. The Gucci one is more family friendly, but this one is like demonetization. The last thing, I love this so much. I wore it once and then I was like, wait, I don't wanna wear this because my pants don't match. And then I took it off, but I actually do love it. So it's like a satin, very soft PJ top thing, but it's not PJs. It's like you wear it and it's like supposed to be like fancy. Not really, but like it's fancy for me. So it's like cropped, it ties, very comfy. Let me show you. I'm wearing a tank top under, so it kind of like throws it off, but this is, I really like this. And it's like perfect for summer. Actually, I feel like you will get sweaty in this, especially since the sleeves are like so tight, but I think it's cute. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below, let me know, are you going to Coachella or not? And which one of these is your favorite? If you guys want to check out Wear Me Pro glasses, click the link in the description below to be cute. And make sure you hit that like button in the face and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.